Happy Friday. Do you believe it? It's Friday. We love Fridays. Yes, we love Fridays. Let's see. I'm going to do a check real quick to see that you can hear me. Come on, Facebook. Are we good? Good, good. Friday. Yes, there I am. You can hear me. Okay, so on with the show. Today is Friday the 17th. So let's see. I think, what are we having here? That's the last, this should be the last Friday. Let's see. We have next Friday, and then in 2 weeks, it'll be the 1st of October. Wow. Stats will be interesting because of the way the months is falling. So what's going on? Well, we're trending downward on the days of inventory. We're down to 22. So my sad face is because we only listed 32 yesterday. We put 32 under contract and we closed 72. So that's why our inventory is going down. We only listed 10 homes under 400,000. And because we sold some of the ones that we had listed, we only have 573 homes that are under 400,000. I should say 400,000 and under. And that might have a lot to do with our activities. You know, people don't want to list their homes if they don't have a place to go, right? So I'm thinking, well, the median price is 400. It seems the sweet spot's between 400 and maybe 700. And I think that there's a lot of listings out there that are in that price range. So the median price that people are buying, which people are listing, so people can buy, very generic, basic. So I'm thinking that perhaps there's more people out there that want to list their homes. You just have to get in touch with them and make sure that then you can find something for them, which is probably going to be easier if they're above 400,000, because there's more listings that are in the higher price ranges. So you got to think about the strategy and logic of how you're doing your business right now and how you're going to do it for the next, let's see, 17 months, 18 months, 17 months, 16 months, 12, October, November, December, 15 months.